Hi, I'm Dr. Deepa Shetty here again, and today we're going to speak on a topic which was on my mind since long to share. I have been dealing with a lot of anxiety disorders since the time the pandemic has hit us. A lot of people come to me with a health anxiety, which has been a predominantly there since the time we have been stuck with this uncertainty of life. Anxiety is something where we have fear of something happening to us before it actually happens. So it is actually in the future, and we try to imagine and build ideas about something which is yet not happened. And here where we I guess we all should do a deeper work in our own sense. This is the time to connect with our own self, and I would say it's a very beautiful opportunity to really address all the fears that we have, to really address a deep down a turmoil and restlessness which has been there since long, but we have suppressed it because of all the life, all the things that we have to deal with our life. So many times we deal with so many things that we forget to really look inside. So this is the time when we should remove our focus from an external environment to our inner environment. What happens outside is not important. What happens inside you is where we have a control, and it is where you really can see where you're coming from. And actually, where you're coming from is also not very important, but where you're going from here is important. Anxiety gives you that chance. You may get into a panic attack and you really don't know what it is. It's important to see that everything out there passes away whenever you are in that state. First and foremost, get a hang of yourself by concentrating on the present moment. Get aware of five things which are happening in your environment at that point of time. Five visual thing that you can see is actually there. Five auditory thing that you can hear at that moment. So getting into the present, that point of time is a very good technique to get yourself out of that panic attack. And there you can really see and understand from where is it coming. Why am I anxious of my health so much? And if I am I taking a step to better health? If I am a person who is really not being aware of her or his body, am I getting aware of it? If I am a person who knows that my immunity and my inner strength is what will help me to get through this, to sail through this whole situation, then am I doing that? What kind of diet am I following? What kind of daily regime am I following to keep my body fit? What kind of daily activities that am I doing to keep my mind fit, to keep my mind stronger in such situation? Am I practicing something which can calm my inner being and get aware of my own self? That is where the whole power lies. You can have a control over your inner environment, because if you get aware of the thoughts that are really taking you where you don't want to go, you can really take control over it by practicing it every day, by remaining calm and patient with your own self, by loving and accepting yourself the way you are. And then you can accept everything outside you. So it's very important for an anxiety, panic attacks, or it can very easily dealt if you get aware of your own self and get a important message through it, because every illness out there is giving some message to you. There is a cycle there which you'll have to break yourself. You're getting into the same cycle because somewhere it has got comfortable with you. You really have to break it, and you have to take yourself out into an uncomfortable zone to really form a comfort zone, or a healthier you, a better you in a long run. Every day, if you're not becoming a better version of yourself, that better and the best is in terms of your own self. It is not according to what the comparison out there in the world is all about. It's about you. I have been a fearful person all my life, but Today, am I taking a courageous step to become a courageous me? That is where you have to stand. And that is where you will see that your illness is actually a blessing in disguise. And you will see you have become what you are, what you have been always. And you have actually unlearned everything that you were not. This is not what you were. And if you can really look into yourself, you will find yourself a very beautiful and a great person. Anxiety is telling you to look inside and really be what you are. Saying so, there are many beautiful steps to relieve yourself from this anxiety, for which you will require to do a deeper work with your own self. But for a start, I would say that all of you can connect with your own self by doing a simple meditation or yoga, because even yoga helps you to, while doing exercise, to connect with your own self. How you're moving your hands, even when you're doing a simple walking, how are you putting your step? So, if you connect your mind with your own body, you will see that you're connecting in the present moment, and that itself is a great achievement. By doing simple meditation on focusing only on your breath, and that itself is focusing on the present moment, and you would see a great difference there. If you do the simple tips and techniques for 10 minutes or 5 minutes, you will see you're connecting with your own self in a deeper way, and that itself is a very big healing hug of your own self to yourself itself. So hug your own self, and you'll see that it brings magic in your life, and it will spread magic in the life of the people you're connected with. That is all it is all about. The journey is all about being what you are and bringing value and making a difference in people around you. Hope I made a difference in your life by this video. See you soon. Thank you. Please remain connected. Do comment and let me know how did you like this video, so that I can further bring on a topic which would connect and have value in your life. Do write if you want to hear something on some other topic too. Thank you. See you again. Stay connected.